Okay, hi. It's me, Ethan. I am going to start a YouTube channel, and it's going to be not Minecraft anymore. It's just going to kind of be like whatever I really want to do. But if you guys want to request anything except for Minecraft, I'm not allowed to play that anymore. Just tell me about it. I'll try. And I'm kind of gonna change my name, and it is Ethan Cox right now, but I'm changing my name probably soon enough. Might make a new YouTube channel. I'll post one, and it'll be Lollypopchainsaw. You guys can choose whatever you want for your nickname. You guys, if you guys want anything really, but it's got to rhyme with my Lollipop Chainsaw, or it can have Lolly or a chain, like anything from my name. So it can be Pop, it can be from Pop or Lolly or Lollipop Chain, so anything from those. Or you can just make a nickname that rhymes with Lollipop Chainsaw. But I'm trying to make this long enough, so let's see. Oh, my hair has come poof. I really don't need my hair to be seen. Okay, so yeah, that's all really. Let's see, what I was gonna do was show you something. You can kind of see this black thing in my front of my face with the blackberry thing. So, as you can see, maybe you can see that. I will one day. I'm just gonna check something. You will see kind of a blackout. Okay, I'm back. So I've got the blackberry. I usually take videos from here, so lots of these Minecraft videos will be uploaded on here, and I'll post them on. And those are only the videos that I have done in my past. Repels I can do. I have it on there. I can download it here too. Yeah, so just leave a like, comment, subscribe me. Just tell your friends about me or something, please. And think of a name. Post that in the comments of my name, for the name, okay? And thank you, and Lollipop Chainsaw out. Tell me at the end of the video, in the comments too, what I should say at the very end. Now, I am part of the Sky Army. Subscribe to Sky Does Minecraft, and Deadlocks, and Minecraft Universe, and Caveman Films, Yogscast, everyone. And yeah. Oh, I know what I should call you guys. You know how Sky Does Minecraft goes for you, Sky Army, and Deadlocks has your own? Well, I won't name one for you guys too, but you guys will name it. So Wolfpack, Lollypack, Lollipop, Pop Lolly, Chain Pack, whatever you want. Okay? So, over and out. See you next time.